everyone! Today we are going to learn our first sound, and how we're going to learn it is we're going to do it like this. It's going to be me saying it, then you copying, okay? Me when I do this with my hand, and then you copying, okay? So the sound is k, k, k. Okay, and how we make the sound is if you put your mouth like this, okay, and you put your finger here, this is your voice box, and you can say the sound k, k, and you can feel it moving, k, k. That's right, and these are the pictures that begin with the k sound, okay, so it's me first. K, cake. I know you like that one. K, cat. Carrot. This is a vegetable. Cucumber. Good, and I have some special friends for you to meet. This is cucumber. Can you say hello? Hi, and this is a vegetable. Have you tried cucumber? It's very nice. And we also have my friend, carrot. This is a vegetable as well. Have you tried carrots? Maybe you would like them if you try them. They're very nice, yummy, and they help us to grow big and strong, our vegetables. Yes, so here is our k sound. This is what it looks like. The letter is C, but we practice the sound k. Okay, so when you see this side, you say k, and when you see this side, you say cat. Okay, ready, steady, go. Cat. K. K. Cat. One more time. K. Good. So we have our little sound K. Now you know it. Now I'm going to share my screen with you, and you can see we have a dancing carrot. Yes, can you see him? He's a superhero. He's a super carrot. Now, how do we form the k sound? Right, well, you can see my little blue dot here, and it's got an arrow showing us what to do. So if you watch me, you can put your magic finger on the blue dot and watch me. What we're saying is k, come around, curl around the k, okay, to the red dot. Okay, let's try it with our magic finger in the air, okay? Start at the top, because we always start at the top of sounds. Ready? Come around, curl around the k. Good job, and let's practice so you can see. We start at the top. Curl around the k. Yes, can you have a go? Maybe with your finger, or if you're using a board and a pen. Ready? Curl around the k. Good job. It takes practice, but practice makes progress, okay? Well done. So I have a little friend for you to meet. Would you like to meet him? His name is Red. Come and say hi, Red. Ooh, a little bit shy. Red, say hello to the children. Hi. And Red has been practicing lots of sounds, and he wants to play a game with us. Yes, and it's like a puzzle. We have to build sounds to make the word, okay? So I will go first. Ready, Red? Okay. Ready? What am I saying? K, a, t, k, a, t. At cat. Yes. Okay, it's me first, okay? K, at cat. Cat. Well done. Do you want to have a go? Yes, Red would like to have a go. Okay, ready? Tell me the sounds. K, O, t, k, o, t, k, o, t, k, o, t. Cot. Did you get that? Yes. Okay, me first. K, o, t, cot. K, o, t, cot. Well done. So we have been learning the k sound today, everybody. Well done. Practice, and I will see you soon for a new sound. Bye.